Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. What a fantastic day. Well, are you up? Are you making money? Let's make some money together. All right, let's do it. Let's get straight into the information you need. Below all my videos or all my social media links, if you want my newsletter for all the things I'm buying and selling before I buy and sell them. If you want to know about our giveaways, our cash prizes, it's all in our newsletter. The information is all below there in the description of this video. Okay, well, we've been busy in the last few hours putting out lots of information for you. If you've not seen all the information in the last hour, I put out 5 videos that hopefully will be of some benefit and of interest to you. So let me share with you what those 5 videos are. If you go on the home page of the channel, here it is. You can do it afterwards. Scroll down and look for the videos. There's the videos. And you can see I started off with CPI. Wow, figures are good with the CPI today. The billion-dollar question for Enphase. I've invited Enphase onto the show. We want to know about the buybacks. When is that happening? Is it going to happen? That's the billion-dollar question, all right? All changed. Tilray Brands. It's a different company now, in my opinion. It's worth a very different sum of money. That's all good. Showtime at Robinhood. It is showtime at Robinhood. We are getting now information soon in the UK. I'm waiting for it. Imminent, I would imagine. Time to buy Virgin Galactic. Is it time to buy Virgin Galactic? Go and check that out. Leave me your thoughts on all today's highlighted videos. There we go. You can look at those over the weekend or whatever. All right, so where are we? Our portfolio is up. We're beating the market again. So let's look. I'm in the green. Stock market, the S&P is in blue. So let's have a look. The portfolio is that lovely 41,000. I like to be up 40,000. I want to be at 60,000 in the next month. That is my target. 100 grand by the end of the year. So $41,000 on the main account. The Roth IRA, absolutely, literally 1.5% ahead of the market. That's incredible. I'm so thrilled with that. And that is because of my solar and my Tesla. You need that if you want to go ahead of the market, if you believe in it, of course. If you don't, then maybe you shouldn't bother. There's my Roth. And we are just touching an all-time high, 58,000. I think it was 58.4 a couple of days ago. So we're very close now to another all-time high. And remember, with our profits, we've got a lot more Tesla, 21.5 up from 14. Tripled my position in Enphase and tripled my position in NEE as well. So very, very good. Very excited about all of that. Anyway, let's see if we can hit 58,000 during the show. This is Sell-Off Friday. Are we going to get a sell-off today? Well, we've not had it yet. It's holding up. Let's see. The last hour will tell us everything. If we get a rally to the close on a Friday, that is a very bullish sign indeed. Anyway, let's scroll down and see all our comments. Let's have a little look of what we've got coming in here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at what we got. Who was first? Tio Roll. Hi, Martin. How you doing? Hello, all. Hello, Tio Roll. How are you? Yo, greetings from Germany. Greetings from Germany. Francis, welcome. Guten Abend. Mein Name ist Martyn Lucas von England. Ich kann nicht sprechen Deutsch sehr gut. So I said, I think you were in yesterday, weren't you, for the Enphase earnings? And I said to you, I would like to welcome you. We do not have, I don't think. Let me check. This could be a big moment coming. Oh, we do. We have members in 37 countries and we have 1 member in Germany. Here are our countries. And yes, we do have Germany. I was just about to say you could be our first. Let me speak to you a little bit better in German. Here it comes. Welcome, Francis from Germany. Welcome to the show. We go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day. And our aim is to be the best, most honest, most live, real, supportive YouTube TV channel in the world. We raise money for charities. We support people through ups and downs. And we're all here to help and support each other live every day. Welcome to you and all our friends and guests from Germany. Here we go. Oh, hang on a minute. I'm on the wrong screen. It won't come through there. I need this screen up. Okay, let's try that again.
Willkommen Francis aus Deutschland. Willkommen bei der Show. Wir sind an jedem Handelstag bis zu 10 Stunden am Tag live und unser Ziel ist es, der beste, ehrlichste und live unterstützende YouTube-TV-Kanal der Welt zu sein. Wir sammeln Geld für Wohltätigkeitsorganisationen. Wir unterstützen Menschen durch Ups und Tiefs und wir sind alle hier, um uns jeden Tag gegenseitig zu helfen und zu unterstützen. Herzlich willkommen für Sie und alle unsere Freunde und Gäste aus Deutschland.
There we go. Fantastic. Jojo S made a good suggestion. I think we need to start up a super chat equivalent of a swear box. Anyone who says, shall we buy Mullen when it reaches 0.01? 1 cent. Yeah, that definitely a good idea if that happens. Yeah. And anyone who says space is really pumping when it's up 0.01%. Yeah, exactly. If you come on the show and you say, yeah, that's quite funny. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Let me do that a minute. I just realized something. If I put your comment on the screen, it's quite big. Look at this. I'll hold it there for a sec. Look at this. When we come back. Hang on. Keep it there. And look at this, Jojo S. It's a massive picture of you on the telly. You ready? Okay, here it comes. Look, watch on the TV. Look, that's really big. That's good, isn't it? You're really famous now, Jojo S. Look at that. I love it. See that? Look. See, you're on the telly over there. Whoops. I just smashed into the telly. Nearly broke it. You're up here, look. There, look. Just there. That's quite good, doesn't it? I just realized that. Anyway, I like stuff like that. Little details like that. Yeah, absolutely. Virgin Galactic is doing much better today, though we have to say it's up 5.27%, but all the markets are up. It's good. Remember, it always amplifies the ups and amplifies the downs, but it hasn't really achieved as much as it should do for where it is. So that's why it's not a buy. It's all very well going, well, it's up 5%. Well, yeah, but I've made more money on just about everywhere else. And the difference is everywhere else that I'm invested in actually makes money and more likely to continue going up. When this hits around the 395, 398, it just keeps being sold off again. So, you know, it could do that again. It might not. It might break out all of a sudden. You never know. But it doesn't matter if it does. I won't feel I've missed out on it. Shabbat Shalom. Welcome to Zach Zate. Lovely. We also need a logbook of all-time stupid chat quotes, greatest memories from the shows. That would be very, very good. That can be your job, Jojo S. Get to work. Start copying and pasting. I've got enough to do. Don't give me another job. That sounds funny. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Love you, bro. Really enjoy your show. Francis, you are most welcome. I spent many hours and days and weeks and time in Germany. I've walked through the Black Forest. I've been into Bremen and Bonn and Waldshut. Yes, I like the Black Forest, I have to say. What's it called? There's a part of Germany. It's a region of Germany. Where's the Black Forest? What region is that? Remind me what region that is. There's a region of Germany. I'm trying to think what it is, but it's where the Black Forest is. I love it. Anyway, I'm sure he'll remind me in a minute. He should know. He's from Germany. Those that have stock lending turned on, are you touching that IonQ and Rocket Labs. Are you noticing that IonQ and Rocket Labs are on loan? I haven't looked. I don't even pay any attention, but I'm sure they are. When stocks are on loan, the price tends to decrease. Yes, but I don't care about a short. A short doesn't worry me. I make money when people short my stocks. I'm fine with it. It means I earn 1%. It's like being a bank. So I love when people short, the stocks I own. I earn money from it because at the end of the day, if I bought the stock because it's going to go up, it's going to go up whether you short it or not. Shorting is only for the short term. I don't mean that to be a pun, but it's true. Shorters always win the battles, but they always lose the wars, right? If the company is good and ultimately it goes up, the shorters get a short squeeze eventually. It's just a matter of time. But anyway, I'm happy to lend my stocks out. No problem. It's like being a bank. Anyway, Jojo S loves it. Hey all, says Stephen Lewandowski. Southwest. No, it's not Southwest Germany. Well, it is that area, but there's a name for it. There's a name for it. It's not south. It is the southwest of Germany, but there's a name for it. Anyway, Farmany, Germany. No. ACLS has been unreal. It says Elan Ben Moyle. It's a part of Baden-Württemberg. There's a region though. What's it called? West Germany. It's in West Germany. As a region of Germany. It's going to do my head this in. I could look at a map. I just look at a map, don't I? Anyway, I'll look at a map later. I know what I mean. Raphael Marquis up 4% today. You jumping the gun, mate. We've got 45 minutes to go. Cheers to getting margin today. Here he is. So yeah, Jojo S, you're in charge of you're the swear box police, okay? You're the swear box police. I think every time that the Black Forest, yeah, where is the Black Forest? Exactly, what region is that in Germany? What region? It's doing my head in. Baden-Württemberg. No, it's not. It's a whole area. But Bavaria. Is it Bavaria? Is it Bavaria in Germany? Bavaria. It's Bavaria, isn't it? Or hang on a minute. It's Bavaria. Yes. Bavaria. German state. It's a German state. Yes, I got it. It's Bavaria. Bloody hell. Now I see. Francis the German couldn't work it out. It was me. I had to work it out. It's always me. Always rely on me. Look, we've got a German here. Look, he's going no. What? It's not Bavaria. What? What's not? I don't know. Anyway, I've been to Bavaria. I don't care what you say. I've been there. I know the name of it, but it's not Bavaria. It's not in Bavaria. Okay, it's not in Bavaria. Oh, whatever it is. What's in Bavaria then? What's in Bavaria? What? I'm having an argument here. Hang on a minute. Hang on. I'm having an argument here with a German. There's a guy called Francis. He's sitting here going, excuse me, I actually am German. I'm from Germany. And you're telling me where the Black Forest is. I mean, it's down the road from my house. I can walk out the front door and there it is. And you're telling me a guy, in Texas on YouTube telling me where I live. I know. I am a German, right? Why are you telling me? Well, I don't care. I've been to Bavaria, and where? So what's in Bavaria then? Because I went there. There's something there because I went there. What's there? Bloody hell! He's thinking, I don't know why I turned up. I'm adding the German element to the show. And all we're getting is like, this guy ain't listening to me. He thinks he knows better than me. I mean, how does he know better than me? I mean, seriously, how does he know better than me? I'm the German. Surely I'd know best. I'm not going to argue about Cornwall or Dallas, am I? No. Sorry, mate. Anyway, I'm in charge. It's my show. Say what I like. Nothing you can do about it. I mean, it is what it is. The Black Forest is a region on its own. Is it? Is this the geography show, or is this make money show? Or we just don't care about money anymore? We don't care about money. Let's talk about geography. Let's talk about geography. Did you buy Enphase? Yes, I tripled my position. And I didn't do it. And I didn't do it with any of your flipping margin. Right. So, policeman, where is he? Jojo S in charge of. Oh, hello, Brian Berard. Hello, how are you? New subscriber. Look at that. Jojo S, you are in charge of the swear box, and I think the first swear box that Inbound needs to pay. All right, Inbound. He won't be able to in a minute because I'll just put him members only. He's not a member. He's never going to be a member, is he? He owes a super chat because we talked about giving bad comments. It's got to be a bad comment. He always mentions margin, even though no one's in margin. That's got to be a bad comment, isn't it? Inbound, you get it pre-market. No, I got it yesterday. In the earnings, way ahead of you, mate. Way ahead of you. Right down here. Yes. Anyway, I went from $1,000 to $3,000. All right, put that in your pipe and smoke it. Anyway, Baden-Württemberg. There you go. But it's not in Bavaria. Are we going to keep this going? Baden-Württemberg. Can we move on, please? I know we've got a German in the house, but really, it doesn't have to be all about the Germans today. Can we move on now? The Black Forest is a region of its own. All right. It's next to Switzerland. Is it? Oh, actually, that makes sense. Because I was in Waldstadt, which is right literally on the border of Switzerland. I used to nip over on my days off into Switzerland. And it was right there. The Black Forest was right there. Anyway, Baden-Württemberg. Yeah, I was right there. Bloody hell. How much longer are we going to run this for? Hello, the Queen of Celebrating. She's getting sick of it. I'm sick of it. Francis, how are you? Happy Friday. Happy Friday's right. Well, it was until we started going on about bloody Germany every 5 minutes. Happy Friday, Jojo S. The Black Forest. German is a large... Oh, look at this. The Fight Channel has basically been on Google. He's been on Google. He's copied and pasted. He didn't know it. He just copied it. I can look the way it's written. That's not how he speaks. He speaks like this. Hello, I'm Bambi. He speaks like that. Not Bambi, Barbie. Hello, I'm Barbie. He speaks like that. I've seen his channel. He doesn't speak like this. This is not the terminology he uses. Trust me. He's been on Google. The Black Forest, German Schwarzwald, is a large forested mountain range in the state of Baden-Württemberg in southwest Germany, bounded by the Rhine Valley. I know. I've walked down the bloody Rhine. Have you? I bloody been there. All right. Ooh. Signor Piloto, Munich. That's Munich. Get out of it. Now we're getting confused. PLTR on fire today, guys. The umpire ban. You can't go wrong with a bit of umpire, can you? Bit of umpire band. Ledershosen. Oh, now we're getting carried away. Fernand do Contra. Look, we're getting subscribers coming in. They're loving all this German stuff. When I took my son to Uganda, he introduced himself to his classmates as, I am Benon. I am not from here. I am from America. I love it. The Queen is self-braided. The Queen is from Uganda. She was born there, right? She took her son. He introduced himself to his classmates. I am Benon. I am not from here. I'm from America. There you go. I love it. PLTR on fire, Martin. Raphael. I'll have a look in a minute. Beer. Yes, it's Friday night, music night. The Alps are in South Bavaria. Can we move on from bloody Germany? Are you a member of this channel? Is he a member? Where is he? I need to turn him off a minute. He's getting on my nerves now. Francis. No, he's not. Francis is not a member. Nor is Inbound. He's another one. I'm an ex-member. You tend to always forget. Yeah, you're an ex-member. That's why I forget. I don't hold on to information about who my ex-members are. What the bloody hell's all that about? It's a delicious dessert from Waitrose. What has that got to do with it? Why are we bringing that into it? Right. Okay. I've had enough of this. This is worse. This is worse than the trolls. This is worse than the troll. I will make dinner and watch the live. You do that, Raphael. Make dinner and watch the live. I'm Martin. I listen to your show all the time. but mostly for your accent and concerts. I don't give a damn about the stocks and shares, mate. I don't care about that. I listen for the music. Well, this is my suggestion to you, Elan. I mean, I'm just going to make a little suggestion, mate. Right? This is the Investor Channel. Right? I've got another channel, which we're going to be on in a minute, doing the music. Just watch that. If you only watch for the music, just watch that. Because here, we talk about stocks and shares, food you can buy at Waitrose, and the Black Forest, apparently. But anyway, so it's come back again. It's like this every day. It's it's a bloody madhouse here. Oi, Fernando, hang on, he's being clever now. He's being clever. Now he's just trying it on. Hang on a minute. Now I've got to translate it. Why have I got to translate it? Hi, Fernando. How are you? Welcome, Fernando. Have we got a Fernando? I didn't see a Fernando in here. He's invited one of his mates in from Portugal, isn't he? I've just translated it. Look, I'm going to say it in Portuguese. Look, I can do that. See, I can do this sort of stuff. It's my channel, right? It's amazing what I can do. You wouldn't believe it. You ready? Here it comes. Hi, Fernando. I'm going to do it in Portuguese and do it any country you want. I can do it in Portuguese, but that's just one language. I can do it any country you want. Right, here we go. You ready? Pay attention.
Oi, Fernando, tudo bem?
See that? It didn't come out the same way though. Anyway, whatever. You asked what was in Bavaria. Munich is. Oh, did I? I forgot about that. Is Munich in there, is it? I don't know. Accent, yeah. Raphael, FDS. Right. Okay, no idea what FDS stands for. Anyway, FDS, ain't got a clue what that means. Right, we've got to get back to why people come here. They don't come for this. People don't come for this. Our friend, the guy in Germany today, I think he's buggered off. He's not even here anymore. He's thought, I've had enough of this. I came in for a bit of stock market, and I end up with this. He might have, of course, gone away to become a member. He might have thought, I'm going to be a member of this. That's how it starts. That's how it starts. People watch this and think, I'm going to be a member. So there you go. There's the membership. Excuse me. There's the membership. You might consider that or not. It doesn't matter either way. It is what it is. Right. Tonight is music night. It's Friday night. That's why we're getting a bit carried away, right? Friday night. I'm still here. He says I'm still here. Oh, okay. I actually thought you were becoming a member. You should have kept quiet. Then we could have thought, oh, Francis, becoming a member. He'll be a gold member in a minute. No. He's quite happy to admit that he's not interested in becoming a member. No, I'm not becoming a member. I'm just sitting here paying no attention. Anyway, we're making money. Despite all of this, this is my live shares. I mean, when you do live trading, do you have to entertain the world at the same time? I don't think so. Right, there's my portfolio. Making loads of money. Super rich now. Super rich. I love the geography hour. It was good, wasn't it, Signor Piloto Holt? It was amazing. We won't do much more of it though. I mean, it's kind of like too much. It's not necessary. Went from 10% to negative within the conversation. You are kidding me. See, wouldn't touch it with the barge pole. What do you think about the Travis Scott album? No bloody idea. Never heard of it. Who's he? The chat was very serious during the end phase earnings. I felt like I was back at university. Exactly. Very, very important conversation. Not so much now. So has anyone kept track of the stock in the last 10 minutes? No. Don't worry. If you've bought stocks that you can't look away for 10 minutes, you've got the wrong stocks. Seriously, you've got the wrong stocks. I'm just saying. I'm just alerting you to that. All right. So let's just double check, just for Chris Hargreaves. Let's just calm down, Chris Hargreaves. So let's do that. There's my portfolio, 41,000. Don't worry. So, good, right? Let's look at the Roth IRA. It's good, right? For a minute, I thought, for a minute, I looked away for 10 minutes talking about Bavaria. I thought all my money had gone. I thought, oh, bloody hell. 57,898. Okay, we're okay. Money hasn't gone anywhere. We're still good. We can talk about Bavaria and still keep our money. Everything's fine, all right? The chat was very serious. It was very serious. That's for members only, though. Members only. Have to save my money for Virgin. It's $2 a month. $2 a month, Francis. You're from Germany, richest country in the world. Don't you give me that. Don't you give me that. Bloody Germans. Germany, loads of money. Francis, he's sitting there saying, I can't be a member. I got no money. He's German, loads of money. He's got more money than all of us put together. Germans, always got the money. Don't you worry about that. He's got loads of money. Chris Hargreaves, easy there. What's going on? Chris Hargreaves. Chris. I missed something. Easy. So has anyone kept track on the stock in the last 10 minutes? Hey, Mike, he's having a laugh. Don't you worry. Mike's coming in, doing his job, protecting the channel. Mike wasn't here at the beginning. Mike, don't worry, Mike. Stand down. You're okay. What's going on here? We're talking about Bavaria, the Black Forest, having a go at the Germans. So let's just don't worry about it. We're having a little go at the Germans tonight. So it's all good. Don't mention the football. Oh, God, don't mention the football. Anyway, Roku up 24%. Kathy's second biggest position. All right. Chris Hargreaves, easy. Oh, I mean, come to you for investing, but learn more. Exactly. You learn more about geography here. It's a multi intellectual channel. Multi-intellectual. Don't say for space. I wouldn't either. I wouldn't. I'd be very careful. If Tilray closes around 225, would you say that's bullish for next week? Let me have a look. So, Senior Belotta I don't know why I say that. I don't know why I always do it with a silly accent. It just seems right. I don't know why. If Tilray holds above 225, I don't really care about the support on this chart, to be perfectly honest. I don't look at it like that. I think we're in a whole different world now. The inflation today with CPI, we're going to get pauses on the rates soon. I don't see any reason at all. I said we were a pause this month and we didn't get it. Inflation has come down again. There's no way they can raise rates again. It doesn't make any sense. It's got to be a pause. And then we all explode anyway. Everyone thinks, oh, it's free money again. So, we're doing well now. We're doing good. The war's going to end this year. Did you read today about Vladimir Putin looking at options to come up with a peace deal? I think it's hilarious. Yeah, I can agree that we're all good now. Yeah. We achieved what we never want. We never wanted the whole of Ukraine. Justice. We got this little bit. We won. Can you say we won? Well, you didn't technically win. Can you say I won? If you say I've won, I can stop it. Well, you didn't technically. Yeah, but I got this little bit. Can you say I've won? Because if you say I've won, I'll go all right and I'll stop it, and then I'll go and play with my other toys. So if we just say you've won, even if you haven't, is it all right? Well, you got to mean it. You got to say it on the telly. You got to say Vladimir Putin won, right? Okay, you got to say it on the telly, right? So if we say you won, but with our fingers crossed, well, as long as no one sees your fingers, all right, behind your back, right? So the fingers are behind my back. If I say you won, can we end it and you can go and do something else? Yeah, but you got to look like you mean it. We fingers mean it, right? Okay. So, right. So we'll say that then. Then you won, fingers behind the back, right? If we say that, you'll stop it. Yeah. Okay. All right then. We'll set up the meeting. I'll have a word with Kay Burley, Sky News. I'll have a word with them. Martyn Lucas, he'll want to cover it. Oh, hello. Someone mentioned my name. Yep. Vladimir Putin's coming on. Right, fingers. And we can end the war. Yeah. All right. Okay, brilliant. Right. Okay, because when that happens, getting back to the stocks, right, it means the share price goes up of everything. All right, not just Tilray Brands. Even Virgin Galactic would like the end of the war. I just wrote from Twitch. I just wrote from Twitch, but it wasn't visible here. Wasn't it? Yeah, I saw it a minute ago. It popped up. There it is. Look, quickly switch to Twitch to play the in-stream background. See? Theodore roll. There it is. Don't you worry about that. It does come up. T.O. roll, see? I just didn't read it out. I was too busy. Hey, Mike. Head bouncer is in the house. Yeah. Head bouncer. Yeah. At the end, Mike's here. You have no messing around when Mike turns up. Mike's going, not having it, right? Martyn, it keeps bloody raining here in Southampton. Can't get the washing dry. Hang it on your radiator. Seriously, how hot is it in England now? Stick it on an airer. It's hot enough. What are you worried about? Stick it in the air. Stick it on the airing cupboard. I don't know. Martyn, it keeps raining. Yeah, we read that. I'm not reading it again. Francis, my paycheck, it's €500 a month and I can be a member. Become a member, man. Yeah. Portugal in that house. Germany. Got the money. Doesn't want to spend it. Yes, the Slayer has arrived. He has. I like how he named himself the Slayer. There's nothing like self-praise. Don't wait to be told that just say it. Just give yourself a title. I'm the Slayer. No one's ever said it, but Mike's just saying it for himself. I mean, you might as well. No one else is saying it, so he's thinking, well, I'll just say it then. I'll just say it. I'm the Slayer, and you don't like it? Slay off. I don't care. I'm the Slayer. Thank the Dark Lord. I know he's here, isn't he? Great to be here among the amazing community. Chris, it's the best community in the world. Yeah, it is. No question. And we're going to win Oscars soon. All right, I'm going to change my name, Martyn. Signor Peletta Holt. No, leave it. I like it. You're the only one. With this, Signor Peletta Holt. I don't even know why I say that. I don't know why. It's got nothing to do with it. Just leave it as it is. You go and change it. John Smith. It's boring, isn't it? No, Signora Peletta Holt. I like it. Anyway, no one gets rude or out of place in this chat. It's my job. That's right. It's my job. Pay him a lot of money for that. I pay him a lot of money. PLTR, Aman predictions. I don't know, Aman. You're not a member and I've never reviewed it for you, so I don't know. Fake news. What's fake news? Fake news, what's going on? If PLTR beats earnings, the stock will go on crazy. I guess around 25 or so. I don't know. Here he is Tony Benn. Not Tony Benn. What's his bloody name? Benny Hill. Like Vlad and bad, can't be trusted. There you go. That's what Bernard Foxon says. I didn't have the funds to buy more Enphase. I'm so sad. Of course you bloody did, Ben. We all did. You just got to sell something and buy something else. I sold my S&P. I sold some J&J the other day. Sold some Coca-Cola the other day. I sold some what do you call it? Virgin Galactic, 17% up. I sold some Tesla when I was up. I sold other things. What else did I sell? I can't remember now. You just got move your shares around. You can't just grow by adding money. You got to make money from money. That's what it's all about. Okay, I just have an advert for Watcher of Realms. I've never been a gamer. Well, obviously they think that you are. Maybe you look like a gamer with the glasses. Maybe it's the glasses. They think you look like a gamer. You do look a bit like a gamer. Good evening, all. Good evening, Enric. Enric, you've missed everything tonight. Best show ever. The last half an hour. Bavaria having a go at the Germans. Check it out. That's all I'm going to say. Yes, sir, I love this. Philip McLean loves it. What do you love? What part of it do you love? Because if it's about the financial advice, not that good today, if I'm honest. It's not really on point. Facebook, flipping heck. It's good for the S&P though, isn't it? I'm in that, so I don't mind. Rio Tinto going down. I'm going to be serious now. We're talking stocks. We're talking money. Let's have a bit of respect for the money. So let's talk about money. All right. Funware. I'm getting bored of talking about it already. 2.7% Rumble. I'm going to take some profit soon. I just want to get out. If this can rally up 5%, I'll take my money. It's all it's worth. Procter & Gamble, defensive, holding it. Plug Power. See, I'm getting all serious now. Rocket Labs going up. We got the flight on the 30th. Up today. I'm up now 4%, 5% today. Lovely stuff. IonQ getting a bit ridiculous. I've got 23 shares. It's one of those stocks in 20 years' time, 23 shares will be like having 23 Teslas, right? Just hold it forever and you'll be all right. Robinhood, told you, 6x. You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. I don't know who doesn't listen to me, because clearly you are listening to me, because obviously you're listening to me. I don't know what I'm saying. No one listens to me. You can't not listen to me, can you? Is anybody watching me on mute? Has anybody got it muted? Listening to the text. Is anybody watching on mute? In fact, I just realised that. Why is it not on mute? Closed captions. We should be. Hang on a minute. Shopping. No, don't need shopping. Stream settings. Are we not doing subtitles? I got people around the world. No, look at that. Oh yeah, it's turned on. They've got issues. They've got issues with YouTube at the minute, not always showing the closed captions. We need closed captions. I got international audience. International audience, watch me. Why is Disney so low? Positive intent, I don't know. End phase, worth buying under 157. He's thinking, really? That was your best answer. I come in, that's what I get. Don't know. Next. I mean, seriously, positive intent, you're not even going to get mentioned if you phone the BBC up. They're not even going to take the call. At least you got on the show. I mean, you didn't get much of an answer, but at least you got answered, right? I mean, End phase, why worth buying under 157 right now, do you think? End phase energy. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. We've got potentially $1 billion buyback about to happen. They said they would do it at 157. I've no idea why they've got to wait till it goes up to do it. Don't get that, but that's what they said. And I've invited them on the show to find more about it. So absolutely. Absolutely. This is a Tesla graph all over again. There is end phase. There is Tesla. Look, similar. Pops all the way up, crashes back down again. Same thing. The Wall Street don't understand. They can't quantify certain things. It's the same stock all over again. Absolutely, I'm buying it. If Wall Street don't understand it, that means it's worth looking at. I got in at 145 on end phase. 145, very nice indeed. My average is 177. You wouldn't. The reason for that is I was a much higher position, and then it fell away. And then I tripled my position. You wouldn't know it, but I have. You're all making me look bad now. I love this channel. Philip, we love you too, mate. But you're about to miss out because we're going members only now. Disney is emerging with Hulu. Good stuff. Nice, Philip. I was pleased at 147. Yeah, I'm pleased at 177. Sounds rubbish, doesn't it? Philip, Malcolm Webb, hi over here on Facebook. Hello. Martyn's earnings for Rumble coming up. What date? Martyn, earnings for Rumble coming up. What date? Well, can't you look? I mean, have I got to do it for you? Why have I got to look? What am I, your secretary or what? I mean, is that what it's become, this channel? You want to know something? Just ask Martyn, he'll tell you. August 14th. August 14th, after hours. Okay. Oh, that's the same as IonQ. August 14th. We can't do them both. What are we going to do? August 14th. Rum. And that is after hours. And Craig, you were absolutely right. You responded to one of my videos with a comment. You commented saying you're down because you bought too high and you sold on the way down. That's absolutely correct. What you didn't point out, though, in your comments, making me look bad, right? Yes, you're correct. I did buy at the top and then I sold on the way down because I decided to put my money elsewhere because the stock would keep going down. And it did. You didn't add that bit into it, did you? So, yes, I sold on the way down because it kept on going down. So I would have lost even more money. And hang on a minute, we're like the stock keeps going down and down and down. Every time we have a flight, a test flight, the next flight, it keeps getting worse, even though we've had all the good news. So you didn't put in the comment just to give the balance. Yes, Martyn Lucas did sell it. He buy it at the top, correct. Martyn Lucas sold it on the way down, correct. But he got out. And then he bought back down at 350, 60, wherever it was, and then sold at 520 on the flight to get some money back out of it again. So yes, I did sell at a loss on the way down because if I hadn't, I would have lost even more money. So next time you do a comment, put the full bit at the end. Anyway, I'm just having a joke with you. The point was, you're absolutely right. I bought at the top, sold on the way down, but I did it for obvious reasons. I cleared margin. Even though I wasn't ever margin called, you all watched it. I did it because I didn't want to be in margin because remember at Christmas I got COVID and I was ill and I thought, what if I died? My wife wouldn't know how to handle it. I don't need margin. If I can't make money out of my own money, forget it. So I make money out of my own money now and I don't need margin. So that's the full picture. Anyway. They done very well, not last earnings, but the one before. I'm not listening, Martin. There you go. Raphael ain't listening. He's got me on mute. I got you on mute. Posted 212 is better than Robinhood. Rubbish. Nowhere near. Have you tried Robinhood? Have you used it? There's no way 212 is better than Robinhood. Should we have a little fight over Robinhood and 212? I've tried them both, and the performance and the benefits to Robinhood far outweigh 212. But you are very welcome to believe what you believe. That's absolutely fine. J&J are performing well. Great week. They are. Bernard Foxon. Oi! Bernard Foxon is a bit of the old Benny Hill going on. I use Trading 1-2 and Diageo. I like Trading 2-1-2. Don't care what you like, Raphael. You can't have Robinhood anyway. You don't know what you're talking about. You're in Portugal. You can't even have flipping Robinhood. That's like saying, well, I like this. I can't have the alternative. That don't count. That doesn't count. You can't have it. Oh, why do you say that positive intent? Personally, I can't wait for Robinhood to arrive here. You are a public servant. Bloody hell. Am I? I like it. I'm a public servant now. Hi, Martin. Hope you're well. Are you back in Virgin Galactic? Apology. I just arrived. Chasing news. The apology is accepted. Don't do it again. Next time, be on time. You've missed a whole discussion on Bavaria. You've missed the best show ever. So that's down on you. I can't. Mike came in, started trying to ban people, didn't realise that I was having a go at the Germans. He thought, what's going on here? What's going on here? Why are the Germans having a go at Martin? I said, don't worry, Mike. Settle down. Calm down. I've got it under control. I'm having a go. And all right, he kept quiet after that. Anyone know what happened to Silver Surfer? Yeah, what happened to him? Andrew. Yeah, we have had higher lows on dumps after the flight, so we are trending up considering it's been diluted, Martin. You reckon? You want to sell me a positive narrative? Are you having a laugh? Look, Craig is getting as bad as the trolls now. Look, Virgin Galactic's brilliant. Yeah, this is when it started, when it didn't do anything. Then it had some successful flights. Then it built rockets, and everything's going good. More rockets, more flights, selling all the tickets, successful flight, another successful flight, selling more tickets, more flights booked for the future. Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right, Craig. It's brilliant. It's trending up. It's looking great. I can hear my tea. Yes, yes. Leah's going, all right. Yes, I can hear it. Thank you very much, Leah's. Oh, come in with a latte. Yeah. Craig's having a good go at trying to get a job at Virgin Galactic. Wasn't Andy doing crazy hours in the NHS, plus he was flat out doing... Yes, he was. Missed that guy. He was so funny. Where is he? Yeah, send him a letter. Trading 2 to be very good if they bought out pre-market after hours. Yeah, if they brought out half a dozen features that they don't have that Robinhood does, it'd be great. Yeah. I want to try Robinhood. Exactly. See? I'm glad you finally admitted to your ways. Your ways. You got to correct your ways. Did your parents ever tell you when you were a kid, correct, Raphael? Correct your ways. Don't say it's better than something you haven't tried. That's like saying, I don't like bread. Have you ever had any? No, but I don't like it. Well, have you tried it? No, don't want it. It doesn't look good. Well, have you ever tried it? No, I don't like it. Raphael, that's you, that is. That's the way you're behaving today. I use free trade and I hate it. Looking forward to the rival of Robinhood to Northumberland. I love it. I tell you what, Robinhood cannot wait to make his way down to Northumberland from Nottingham Forest. He can't wait. He can't wait to meet you. To Northumberland. He cannot wait to meet you. It's the best alternative. Well, that's no good, is it? Well, I'll have crisps because bread's not available. I don't like bread. Well, have you tried it? No, but I've got crisps. It's the best alternative. What a ridiculous thing. Here he is, whispering. So here tonight on the Bob Harris Show on Radio 2, Martyn Lucas coming up at the end of today's show. And we're going to be live with Martyn Lucas for the Friday night is music night. The link to the event is in the chat. As myself, Bob Harris, I shall be there looking forward to the music of Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man, here live on Radio 2. Right, so make sure that you join that, all right? No messing around. Whispering Martyn Lucas, you're damn right. Look at my high-risk stocks. It will be the same sort of chart looking back the last year or two. Compare it to another high-risk stock. I'm not doing it. I don't want to. And I don't have to. It's my show. I don't have to compare anything to anything else. You start a YouTube channel, you start comparing. All right? Thanks, Leah. Wish they had a take profit order like Webull. Yeah, so it's a sort of what? So it's a brokerage where you can buy but can't sell and take profits. That's no good, is it? Right. Enough of this. This has got a bit ridiculous. So, housework time. Now, a lot of the non-members, you got away with blue murder here. We don't do this. We have quality here. We don't mess around. So, last chance to gain sort of special benefits to the membership club, right? Last chance. 43 watching. Let's put a minute on the clock. In fact, I'm not even going to do a minute on the clock. I'm just going to do exciting music, right? 44 watching. 18 likes. How rubbish is that? So basically, here's the deal. If you like it, tap the like button. I've worked hard here this afternoon. I've talked for the last hour about Bavaria. If you like it, like it. It's not hard, just go, right? But don't just sit there on your ass and do nothing, right? I ain't got time for lazy people. And that will mean you're more likely to be shown my content next time. The world is a better place. If, on the other hand, you thought this was rubbish, I don't want this, then vote with the down like. Then you won't see my stuff, and I won't come into your life and annoy you anymore. And I would like that. I only want people who like me. If you don't like me, I don't want to come into your house. Excuse me, can I come on in? No, I don't want to come on in. I don't want to come on in if I'm not welcome. So hit the down like button, and you won't ever see me again. All right? But don't just bloody sit there and do nothing. That's lazy. All right, do something, okay? 24 likes. How many's watching? 45. That means there's 40 people, there's 20 people just sat there going, I'm not doing anything. I'm not down like, you can't make me. You can't make me like it. You can't make me. I'm not doing anything. You think you can try? You ain't got no power over me. You always get those sort of people. All right. Anyway, enough of that. Stop the music. Wasn't that exciting? Mr. Mini-Me, you can go back in your little box now. There you go. Okay. Are you doing a music concert tonight? I've been talking about it for the last hour. Positive intent. This is what happens when you come late. Can you not see it? Oh my God. Look, this is the sort of thing I've got to put up with. This is the sort of thing. Positive intent's going, are you doing a music concert tonight? Look at the chat. What does it say in the chat? Friday night is music night. It's right there in the chat. I can't make it any bigger. I've done it in bold writing. Loud in your face. Have we got a music concert tonight? It's right there. Look, it's right there. Friday night is music night. Are you doing a music concert tonight? Right? And just to make it like doubly easy, just because, you know, it's the service. I like to provide the best service, even if I do give you a hard time for like not paying attention. Every Friday night's music night. I put it in the chat every day. I talk about it. My God, what do you need to do? I'll tell you what, next time I come around your house and knock on the door. Oh, by the way, Positive Intent, we got a concert tonight. Thanks, mate. Just got to nip back to Dallas. See you at the concert. Right, Ben's confused. With a whisper like John Virgo will be looking over his shoulder. I have a question. George, fire away. Or Ted Lowe, the GOAT snooker. Oh, yeah. Ted, remember him, Ted Lowe? I like Ted Lowe, rest in peace, yeah. If I sell a share and buy it back after hours, is it a day trade? That's a good question, that. Is it a day trade if you buy it and sell it in the after hours? Yes, I think it is. You could test that theory by doing it, and it will mark it on your brokerage as a day trade. I think it is a day trade, yeah, because it's the same day. It's just after hours. Yes, I'm pretty sure that'd be a day trade. Yeah. I just finished work. Well, it's no excuse. Mike, 7 minutes ago. Has anyone seen Nicky Boy Gaming? He was a character. That's a polite way of saying something, isn't it? He was a character. Yeah. If someone likes you, they say, I liked him. If someone doesn't like you, they say, he was a character. I like it. Anyway, right. We're now going over to members only because we've got a concert coming up. Concerts coming up on my music channel. For those who've not joined me before, I was voted as the World Piano Man live in my studio. This studio is the very first time you're going to hear it with the new compressed sound. Get your earbuds, your headphones, your stereo. My music channel, my music studio behind me is ready to go. It's about to become a rock and roll music studio. The beer has arrived. Leah has brought the kegs of beer in. It's all about to kick off, but members only. Now, anyone can come, but I only speak to the members because, you know, you got to make members feel important, right? So it's only $2. Right, here we go. We're going to go members only now for the last few minutes because we've got day trader of the day. And then I'm back on Monday. That's it. I'm done for the weekend. What am I doing? I can't even remember what I'm trying to do. Oh, yeah. Members only. Ready? If you want to become a member, you got to click a button and get involved. If that's too much trouble, it is what it is, isn't it? Some things in life is hard. And this is one of those things. There's the membership link. You might need a browser, all right? You might not. Depends on you. Depends how good you are. I don't know. Did you say you're from Lafayette? I went to Purdue. Right. Okay. Here we go. Members only in 5, 4, 3, 2. Just do it. I'm not gonna count it down. It ain't that exciting. There you go. That's it. People are going, oh no, I can't speak anymore. What's going on? Well, this is it. You see, this is life in the fast lane now. Right. Okay. Amazon going up. This is very good news. Extremely bullish for next week. The fact we have had no sell-off at all. This is extremely good. No, it's not a day trade. It's not a day trade. Are you sure about that? I was on the fence with it, but I'm pretty sure if you buy it and sell it after hours, it's a day trade. I would imagine it would be a universal law. The only way to do it is to buy something and then sell it in the after hours. And I could do that. I could buy something. I don't think so. In fact, should I do it? No, I could do it for you, but it's going to cost me money. If you give me a $10 super chat, Ben, give me a $10 super chat. I will buy a share of Virgin Galactic right now in the next 3 minutes, and I will sell it in the after hours, and it will show you if it's a day trade or not. 100%. If anybody wants to give me a $10 super chat, I will buy $10 of a stock live right now. I will buy it before the bell. You've got 3 minutes to go, and then I will sell it right after the bell, and I can tell you 100% if it is a day trade or not. I'm pretty sure it is a day trade in the after hours. I'm pretty sure it's the same day. It's the same trading day. After hours, it's just the same trading day. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. So, I could be wrong, but I was wrong once. Anyway, you've got 3 minutes if you want to do that. Let's have a quick look. No, it's not a day trade. I think it is. Really, George, says Ben. Yes, I just did it. You just did it. Okay, you just bought something and then sold it and you checked it. Are you 100% certain? Anyway, maybe it'll show up as a day trade later. I'm pretty sure it's a day trade. Anyway, it will show straight away on Robinhood, 100%. 100%. If I buy it and sell it, I can guarantee it will share up. Oh, here we go. Oh, I've got to be quick. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, here we go. You've left it right to the 2 minutes to go. This is going to be quick. PLTR, Palantir. I can't buy a full share, so I shall buy. Oops, hang on then. My God. I'm a bit late. I'm trying to do it for you. It's going to be very quick. PLTR trade. Okay, so buy. 1 minute to go. $2 worth. You gave me $2. I'm buying $2 worth. All right, $2. There you go. I've just bought $2. I got 0.11 of a share. There you go. See it? Right. Okay. I will check for you now. So what I'm going to do now is go back into my account. Whoops, a daisy. I bought it just before, so it's gone through. Okay, so that was on my main account, investing, brokerage. Okay, right. You can see I've got no. I can't show because it will show my account number, but I've got 0 out of 3 day trades because the protection is turned on. Okay, so we're gonna. I can't show you because it will show you my account number, but take my word for it that I am at 0 day trades. Okay, day trades made 0 on my brokerage account. So we're not gonna bother ringing the bell. Well, yes, we will. We'll ring the bell and I will sell it. So this gives you an absolute 100% certainty whether it's a day trade or not. Okay. Okay. So I'm now going to go back into Palantir and I'm going to trade once the bell goes in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the bell has now gone. We're in the after hours, and you can see here, if I go to my main brokerage position, you can see I have $2. Can you see that there? I have $2. We are now in the after hours. I'm registering as a 0 trades. So I'm going to sell this now, trade, sell, and I'm going to sell. Palantir, $2. It's just gone up. I'm making $1 1 cent profit. Shall I keep it for a second? All right, you ready? So this is what I'm going to do. This will be a day trade. If I think it will be a day trade. You ready? So swipe up. I've made 1 cent profit, hopefully. Let's have a look. It might not have gone through. There you go. I got my $2 back. Okay. So that would be a day trade now, in my opinion. Okay. Let's see if I'm right. Let me see if I'm right. I won't be able to share on the screen my account because it will show you my account, but that would constitute as a day trade. There you go. It is a day trade. 100%. It's a day trade. And what I will do is I will share with you. I'll take a photograph. I'm going to take a photograph and then I'm going to crop it out so you can see. Okay. And you can actually see. So I was correct. So Ben, it is a day trade if you buy and sell in the after hours. So now you owe me a super chat now because I've just used one of my day trades for you. Ooh. And I didn't even make any money. Ooh. Right. So, look, now I'm going to show you. So you owe me a super chat now. I'm only joking. I'm not really joking. You do owe me a super chat because I've just used one of my day trades for you. It's best service in the world, right? Right. I'm taking out my account number. I just don't want you to see my account number. All right. Okay. Here we go. Right. To confirm, best service in the world. There you go. 1 out of 3 day trades. I purchased before the bell had gone. I sold after the bell. Yes, that is a day trade. 100%. I thought it was. So it was George. So it was George. Yeah, George. Yeah, George owes me. Yes, it should. Now it's crazy. Hang on a minute. Who's asking me this question? How are you, Ben? Same 24-hour period as a day trade. Correct. There it is. Yes, it should, but it's not showing now. Crazy. Oh, Martyn, I love you, bro. Yeah, I know. Best service in the world, right? Everyone needs to give me a super chat for that service. What a great day. Rocket Lab, Ginkgo Bioworks, and Tiro all done great. 830 profit one day. My best day yet. Buckaroony, we love it. Ding, 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 ding. Bing, bong. Well done, Buckaroony. Ha, ha. It was George, not me. Yeah, don't get me. But Ben, you were saying it. What? You were saying... no. Yeah, it was Ben asking the question, and it was George going, yeah... no, it's not a day trade. And it is. So, yeah, that's right. George Otterty, you owe me because you told me it wasn't. I told you it was. See, this is why it's my YouTube show, isn't it? This is why, it's my show. Anyway, I believe you, but I sold a share and I bought it back and it's not showing up. Well, if you've got a broken computer, maybe. I'm telling you, the law. It's a universal thing. It's not a brokerage thing. It's a universal thing. Okay. Yes, it's the best service and the most honest. Yeah. Now, where's the super chat? No, I don't want the niceties. I don't want the nice. I want money. I'm only bloody joking. I'm not really joking, but I am. I'm not joking. Right, okay. Let me get rid of that now then. That's rubbish. I've just used a day trade for no reason. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Easy come, easy go. I just have to wait now to get more day trades again because I've used one. Oh well. It's life, innit? And I'll pay taxes on it. Pay taxes. I spent $2. I got $2 back. Pay taxes on that. Right. Okay. Enough of this nonsense-ry. Right. Where are we? Let's wrap up the show. Okay. We're in members only mode now, aren't we? I hope we're in members only mode. We've got to be in members only mode. We're about to do the music concert, right? Oh, lovely. Got one of my lattes. He gave me... Nice one, George. He gave me a tip. I love it. I'm $2 up now. Anybody else want me to do that? $2, I'll do it all day long. Thank you, George, for the super chat. I love it. Thank you very much indeed. It was so good. It was so good. I want to replay it. It was that good. Recent events. Can I play recent events again? I can. George Oddity gave me a $2 super chat. Here it comes. There it is. Cheers, mate. Oh, I'm having the latte with the cream. You can't go wrong. Here comes the best bit. This is when you get the cream and the bit of chocolate on the top. And then we're going to end the show, day trade of the day, and then we got our competition, right? Not a competition, we got our concert to do. Right, lovely. Okay. Only pay tax on profits. Hey, I made zero. Can you pay tax on zero? Okay. And I always pay my debts, said George. I always pay my debts. There you go. He's paid his debts. Me and George, we're straight now. He doesn't owe me any money anymore. This is good. This is good. Ben's loving it. He's thinking, bloody hell, I'm not even involved in all this is going on. Anyway, thanks. Those taxes are going to hurt when it's time to file. I know. I've got to write down Palantir, $2. Sold Palantir, $2. It's going to confuse. My accountant's going to go, you bought it for $2. 5 minutes later, you sold it for $2. Why? What sort of trader are you? I'm showing George Ottity how to do it. Well, you need to like not do that. I mean, that's not good. Yeah, but I'm showing George. Don't show George. Yeah, but I want to show George. He's one of the members, and he gave me $2. Oh, did he? 100% profit. We'll tax you on that then. Only pay taxes on profits. Can't pay taxes on nothing. I'm up 5. Hang on, George. Wait. Let's go. Stop giving me all your scores. You made .01. George Lannister. George Lannister. Right. Okay. Enough of this. I got things to do, places to go, people to see, dogs to walk. I ain't even got a dog, but I'll get one just to say it. Right. Anyway, look at our subscribers. Whoa, look at this. 9,000. Oh, hello. Hello. What's this? What's all this about? What's going on here? Burr, burr. I have never seen that before. Did you see that? Burr, burr. Subscribe. I mean, seriously. I'm going to get carried away in a minute. I'm going to get carried away thinking I'm too famous. Every second. Subscribe. That's like Mr. Beast, isn't it? One. That was like 10 seconds of like being famous. For 10 seconds, I was famous. Should we just wait and see if it does it again? Wait. It's got to be somebody. Somebody in the world right now is on YouTube finding Martyn Lucas and they're going to press subscribe. Ready? I don't know why I'm doing this. This makes it more tense. Right? If we do this, it's tense, right? All right. 9,743. See? That is what it's like. This is what I have to get used to now. This is why I'm now famous. If I keep doing that, it does it every sort of 10 seconds. Yeah. Every 10 seconds, 24 hours a day, somebody in the world goes, I like this Martyn Lucas, I'm going to subscribe. Every day. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, when you're all sleeping, there's somebody clicking their phone going, Martyn Lucas. Yeah. There's Tesla. I've even got Tesla signing up. Elon Musk. Tesla, ready? Keep doing it. 9,744. It's like a magic thing. I think if you do this, you get subscribers. I read it somewhere. 9,744. I'm pushing my luck now, aren't I? I'm pushing my luck. I can't do this much longer. People are going to switch. People are going to switch off. They're going to go. He's getting carried away now. He thinks he's famous now. He's got 9,700. He's getting a subscriber every minute. He thinks he's like Elton John now. Right, ready? 9,000. There's got to be somebody. Because I feel stupid now. If I give up, it looks like I failed. It does. It looks like I failed. I can't give up. Ready? Come on. Bloody hell. I shouldn't have started this. This was about it. I mean, I was up. I was winning. I was up when I was up. I should have left it alone, shouldn't I? I should have left it alone. I've got to stop doing this. This has got nothing to do with it. This has nothing to do with it. This doesn't make any difference. Whoever said that gets you subscribers, it's not true. Look, see, the moment I stopped, it went down. There you go. See? All you got to do is this. If you want to... This is my advice. Anybody who wants to grow on YouTube, just do this. Where's that 44? There's one missing. Okay, enough's enough. Enough's enough. I'm worn out now. That's actually quite good exercise, actually. It's quite good exercise. Maybe refresh. I don't need to refresh. It's live. Yeah, it is hard. It is hard. You try and do that for 20 minutes. You'll see how I unsubscribed. And see, that's enough. I don't need to do it anymore. I've made the point. There's no need to labour on it. Don't labour on it. You labour on it, it's just going to go down, right? Just don't push your luck. Right. Members only. I mean, people can't even chat and they're subscribing. That's how good this show is. Right. Let me read the comments. I'm from north of the wall. Oh, hello. I'll sell you a dog if you want. I don't want your bloody dog. I'm Jon Snow. Yeah, we're talking about Game of Thrones now, right? I know what's going on here. 5 minute trader show. Wait till Fight Channel does a video. Oh yeah, Yeah, wait until the Fight Channel does a video. Yeah, wait until the Fight Channel does a video of this. Barbie doll's gonna... I just thought about that. Barbie's gonna love all this. George says refresh. No, George, you give bad advice. You told everybody earlier about the day trade. Now you're telling me I've got to refresh my computer. I know how to work my computer, George. You leave the refreshing to me. I know about the refreshing. You leave the refreshing to me. Don't you get involved. You just keep out of it. Magic. My fingers are killing me. See? It doesn't really work. I got 9 lab pods. You got 9 Labrador. I don't want any of them. They're yours. You got them. You stick with them. Nothing to do with me. Don't get me involved. Shall we see? We've got to end the show now. Shall we see if we've gone up? 9,744. Stuck there now. I shouldn't have done it. Shouldn't have looked. Right. Okay. Day trader of the day. Everybody go up to your main position. Click the like button. Lucas coming up at the end of today's show. And we're going to be live with Martyn Lucas for the Friday night is music night. The link to the event is in the chat. As myself, Bob Harris, I shall be there. Looking forward to the music of Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man, here live on Radio 2. Right. Yeah, there you go. So click the like button. I don't know why I listened to that back. Shouldn't do it. Silly. Right. Click the like button. Have you done it? I can't keep telling people this. I do it. It's like, it's getting ridiculous, isn't it? Click the cogs. Yeah. You've mentioned that. Then you got to go double speed. Yeah. Double speed. We know. We've heard it every day. We've heard it. You don't have to say it every day. Right. Click double speed. Up to date. Right. Everyone done it? Day trader of the day. Who's going to buy Mullen at 1 penny? Music time now, yep. Stop jumping the gun. What stock are you most bullish about? I got Inner Citadel. Inner Citadel. How did Inner Citadel get a comment? We're members only here. How did Inner Citadel get a comment? What's going on here? We're members only. Members only here. He sneaked in. I can get in anywhere, me. Don't you worry. I know people. Don't worry about me. Damn it. Swearbox. Who's it? Who asked? Who's going to buy Mullen at 1 cent? Yes. Jojo S. That was you. You set the rules. You pay up.
Damn it. Swearbox number 1.
Yes, if you mention about Virgin Galactic, only goes up. You're living in a world of fantasy, you pay a swear box. If you, I am a member in a Citadel. I missed it. I'm thinking, I missed it. I'll buy 1,000 of Mullen at 1 cent. Senor Halt, you owe a swear box. Right, if you talk about Mullen going to 1 cent and buying it at 1 cent, you got out of focus. You've got to pay a swear box. And if you talk about Virgin Galactic always going up and can't swear box, right? Virgin Galactic's come back down again. Told you, no one listens to me. I just talk to myself. It's a waste of bloody time. Anyway, just saying, all right? Anyway, where are we? So, Senor Pilota Holt, you owe a super chat. Right, day trader of the day. Enough of this. I'm bored now. I've made money. I'm bored. I got my music studio waiting. Here we go. Up 0.64%. I'm going to give it 1 minute on the clock. That's it. If you're late, you're late. I'm not even going to wait. If you're late, you're late. There it is. 0.64. Post again. Yes. Pay up. Yes. You sort him out, Jojo S. Super manager and everything else. Where's Mike? Mike was here earlier. Right, up 3.59. How come you're doing so good? That's not right. You're up 3.59, up 1.92. No dirty talk here. Yeah, no dirty talk. 0.64. I will buy I'm not even saying it because I can't, I'm not going to get fined. I can't even pay anyway, so it doesn't matter really. I can't do super chats, won't let me. Hello. George up 5.6. Ben up 0.69. George. Cherry up 3.57. Zaxay up 3.49. Up 26% on IFBD. Infobird this morning. Fantastic. But it's not on just one stock, though. You've got to be on all your stocks, not just one stock. But congratulations, being up 20% on one stock doesn't count. 3.5. Who's the winner? This is too complicated. 3.59. It's 5.6, isn't it? 5.6. Overall portfolios. Loud Work got the best stock, but 5.6. I think it is. Everyone is crushing it. Well, you're all beating me. But then, I've got millions of dollars. So 1% is better than 5.6. That's the way I look at it. Anyway, well done, George and everyone. Yeah, well done, George and not everyone. You got to come out and say, George, he's the winner. Not everyone. Don't be nice to everyone. Some people done rubbish, right? Thank you very much for Honest Trade. Give him a thumbs up. Let's have the sound effects. All right. That's it. We're out of here. Okay, it's time for you all to do a couple of things. First of all, is Friday night, is music night. I will see you over on the music show in a minute. Thank you for all the tips. Shocking, missed the rule, Mullen is rubbish.
Shocking, missed the new rule, Mullen is rubbish.
There you go. Make sure you get it right. Yes, no more swearing on the show, please. It's a great idea. I like this idea. It's going to make me loads of money because people are always being naughty. Right, that's it. I'm out of here. Thanks for joining me. Time to go to the music concert. This is where we're going to be. The beers are ready. This is the show. This is where it's happening. If you've never been before, you've got no idea what you're missing. All right? Goat Herder, happy weekend. Let's kick it off. What should we start with tonight? Any good songs? There's the Goat Herder. There's Mike. You can always rely on Mike. Mike's always going to be there, right? Right. How's your mum, Mike? Anyway, I've got to go. Roll the credits. There's people here. People need recognising. So that's the only reason they give me tips, because they want to be recognised. Right. Subscriptions. Brian Berard. Fernon de Contra. Yusuf Demicrol Fanasal. Tesla 2030. Raphael Marquis. George Ottity. Jojo S. And Senor Biliterholt. There you go. Has given me... These are our superstars of the day. I tell you what, you don't get entertainment like this on Netflix. Not a chance. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you on the music show in a few minutes. I'm going to go there right now. Start it early. Get your requests in. I'll see you there. And then I'm back on Monday. Take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Bye-bye for now. See you live on the show. Ta-ra!